join to the first stitch, and this round is ready. Chain 2, yarn over, and I work 1 front post double crochet around the first stitch or into the first stitch. Yarn over and make back post double crochet into the next stitch, so work around the next stitch. Yarn over, front post double crochet, yarn over, back post double crochet, yarn over and front post double crochet, yarn over, back post double crochet, and then front post double crochet. Repeat as 2 stitches all around. Yarn over and make 1 front post double crochet around the beginning chain 2, then join with slip stitch. And I work the last round chain 2, yarn over. In every front post double crochet I work front post double crochet, and in every back post double crochet I work back post double crochet. So crochet the stitches as you see them. Now front post double crochet into the last stitch, then join. And our little beanie is ready. We can cut the yarn. Stretchy, soft, and original. Thank you to stay with me until the end of the video. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to stay updated. See you next time.